the reason why this is done, on top of taking care of the landing gear, which I'm going to show you that in just a second, is to allow the pilot, before the aircraft takes off and before it's ever started, he does a pre-check and a walk around. And if all this stuff is clean, it's a lot easier to spot something that's wrong if it's clean. For instance, if there's a leak. Same thing goes for the landing gear, front or back, which I'll show you that in a second. So, and also the other reason, corrosion control. Just like anything else, just like a car, just like a semi-truck, just like anything else, corrosion does happen. Aircraft are made out of aluminum, for the most part. And aluminum does corrode. It does weaken. And the same thing goes for, like, let's say Airstreams, and also those big tanks that you see going down the interstate that we polish. So there are multiple facets, or multiple reasons why we're doing this and why this is being done. So the last but not least would be just overall taking care of the paint. Because if the paint is taken care of, that means the paint will last longer. Is it going to last forever? No. Doesn't matter what you do to it. Doesn't matter what you put on it. Doesn't matter how you treat it. Paint is never going to last forever, but there are things that you could do to help it last a little longer than if you didn't do anything at all.